all my brothers and sisters and elders in the Modicare family, I'd like to wish you a very, very happy Diwali. My wish that this Diwali, Lakshmi Ji and Ganesh Ji comes into your homes, into your businesses and brings more happiness and more prosperity. I am very confident that together we'll make a change in India. Together we'll create prosperity and happiness for large amounts of Indians, and together we will build the Modi way. My urge is live the Modi way, happy Diwali, and may this year be fabulous for you. Jai Hind.
We wish you a very happy Diwali. आपको दीपावली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.